companies and accounting cycles in companies. Number 1, types of companies. Service companies. These companies offer service such as consultant, lawyers, and transportation companies. The main focus is to provide service to customer without selling physical product. Examples of accounting cycles in service companies are usually simpler because they do not involve inventory or stock of goods. Trading companies. Trading companies focus on buying and selling goods, such as retail or wholesale stores. This type of company buys goods from suppliers and resell them to consumer. The profit. Its accounting cycles includes recording purchases, inventory, and sales of merchandise. Manufacturing companies. Manufacturing companies produce goods from raw material to finished products. Example are automotive companies or electronic companies. The accounting cycle is quite complex because it includes the production process, recording raw material goods in process to finished goods. Mixed companies. Some companies carry out service activities while selling products, such as restaurant that provide food and serving service. The mixed accounting company slightly needs to combine the accounting aspect of service companies and trading companies. Number 2, accounting cycle in a company. The accounting cycle is a repetitive process from according to reporting a company financial transaction. This cycle generally consists of the following steps. Recording transaction. Every financial transaction is recorded in a journal in accordance with applicable accounting principles. At this text, transactions from various types of company activities are recorded chronologically, posting to the ledger. Transactions from the journal are transferred to the ledger. This includes contents such as cash, debt, inventory, and capital. The ledger helps group transactions by account. Preparing a trial balance. The trial balance is prepared to ensure that the total debit and credit balance are balanced. This is an initial check before adjustments are made. Adjusting entries. At this stage, adjustments are made to certain account to reflect to the actual situation. These adjustments can be in the form of accumulated depreciation, inventory adjustment, or recognition of revenue that has not been reached. Preparation of financial statement. After adjustment, financial statements are prepared, including income statement, balance statement of change in equity, and cash flow. This reports profit and overview of the company performance and financial position. Closing entries. Nominal account are close to clear the balance and transfer net income or loss to the capital account. This is done to start a new accounting period with a your nominal account balance. Preparing a post-closing trial balance, the final step is to preparing a trial balance. Accuracy in grouping asset, liability, capital, revenue, and expense account. Accuracy in group asset, liability, capital, revenue, and expense account is key to preparing accurate financial statement. This grouping will affect the presentation of financial statement, especially the balance sheet and income statement. Here is an explanation of each group of account. Number 1, asset account. Asset account reflects the wealth owned by the company, which it expects to profit benefits in the future. Assets are divided into two main categories. Number 1, current asset. Asset that can be liquidated or used in less than 1 year. Example, cash, accountants receivable, inventory, short-term investment, prepaid expense. Number 2, fixed asset. Assets that have a useful life of more than 1 year and are usually used in the company operation. Example, land, buildings, vehicles, machinery, equipment. Intangible asset, non-financial asset that profit economic benefits. Example, patents, trademarks, goodwill. Number 2, liabilities. Liabilities are the company obligation to other parties that must be paid in the future. Liabilities are divided into two main categories. Number 1, current liability, obligation that must be paid in less than 1 year. Example, accountant payable, salaries payable, taxes payable, interest payable. Number 2, long-term debt, obligation that are due in more than 1 year. Example, long-term bank loans, liabilities, mortgage debt. Number 3, capital account. Capital or equity is the portion of assets that are the risks of the company owner after deducting liabilities. Capital account include owner capital, investment made by owner or shareholders, such as share capital in a limited liability company. Retained earnings, net income that is not treated as dividends and invested.